Hey guys, welcome to my channel, GorgeousOneMink. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe. And before this video, a warning, that annoying sound, sorry guys, ahead of time. But before we begin, make sure at the end of this video or during this video, you can like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video so others can see this video as well. Hey guys, happy Easter, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I am barbecuing, so this video might be all over the place. I'm barbecuing some legs, thighs, pork chops, pig feet, also ribs, and sausage and wieners. I wanted to do some hamburgers, but they didn't have none to the store, so I just left it alone. I'm also doing some wings and stuff as well. So you guys are gonna get to see some of that. I'm gonna show you guys what the legs and thighs came out. It's so delicious, guys. I took the skin off because I don't like the skin being on the chicken, because I feel like it takes the flavor that I put on it away. Once you take the skin off, that's it. So you know, that's why it's off. But let me show you guys right quick. Guys, look how that has came out. Oh my goodness, it's so good, so good. I'm gonna pick up one so you guys can see how that looks. Hold on. Guys, this is the back side of it. Oh, the seasoning on it is so good, guys. Let me see, let me pick it up again. There it is. I'll give you a close-up look of that. See how you can see the seasoning? You'll taste the seasoning. Whereas if you leave the skin on, you take the skin off, and then there's no seasoning on the bottom part of it, underneath it. So I tried it this way and I love it. I think it's so much better. And I took all the fat off as well, because y'all know that fat not good for y'all anyway. But some people like it. I don't. My family is okay with it. So I'm gonna show you guys what this is, how the pig feet looks. Hold on. Guys, these are the pig feet. If it is your preference to cook the pig feet a little longer before you put it on a pit, it's your choice. Guys, I just like it, like, this is my first time, so I'm testing it out. And how my pig feet came out, it came out really good, but I honestly really do think that I could have cooked them a little longer. So the next time they might be even better, but I just don't want to overly cook them to where they just falling apart, and I want to be able to take my time with them. So if you like your pig feet to be like really tender before you put them on a pit, that's your choice, guys. There's nothing wrong with that. And I just personally, I like my pig feet very tender, but I really want them to, I don't want them to be too tender when they're being barbecued. That's just my preference. So in the video you may see them when I'm eating them, they may look a little tough than usual. That's just me. I'm testing everything out. So the next time I do barbecue some pig feet, they come out the way I really want them to come out. So that's trial and error, guys. So this is how the ribs look. Like, I had like about 3 slab of ribs. This is how it looks, and dang near like underneath it looks like that as well. So I made sure I seasoned it very well, so it's ready to go on the pit. I don't know how you guys, I know sometimes y'all, you know, have like a rub or something like that. I do my own little rub. This is my rub right here, and I'm really thinking about making my own little rub, you know, and seasoning and stuff. Still thinking about that. Haven't made a decision on that yet, but I love the seasoning, guys. Okay, these are the wings and the pork chops. These are the wings right here. I got some of these wings for my mom. She loves wings. She loves ribs as well. And my dad. These are the pork chops, guys. Close up look. These are about to go on the pit. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Guys, I'm eating one piece of the pig feet because I really want to see how it tastes before it goes on the pit. And this is what I mean by you don't want it to be still intact. I can still bite into it and it's not too tough. I love it like this. Ooh. So how you guys Sunday going? Comment in the comment section. Y'all know I had to bring something and hit a drink. This is my drink for today. Pineapple coconut. Guys, these don't have no sugar in it, no calories, caffeine, no sodium per serving. So look at what I'm gonna drink. Oh, this is cold. Y'all, this is the pig feet, the barbecue pig feet. Let's see if I can give you a closer look. Look at the seasoning on there. It looks so good. The wieners, sausage right here. See. And the ribs are right here. Y'all, it looks so good. Let me give you a closer look at the ribs. And also, there's some chicken wings right here. I'm not sure if I showed you guys that already, but there it goes. And that's the pork chop. So yes, we about to start eating, guys. I hope you all are having a happy Easter. And
Subscribe, like, comment, and share, guys. Have a happy Easter.